Welcome again to this part 14, which is also the last part of this chapter on exercise 5B, problem number 3 of the second from here. How many terms of the sequence -12, -9, -6, -3 and so on must be taken so that the sum of these terms is 54? Okay, now the sum is given to be 54. The sum of all these terms is 54, but till how many terms you have to take so that the sum should be 54? Now we have first term, second term, third term, fourth term, plus the fifth term, plus the sixth term, plus seventh term, up to how many terms you must be taken so that the sum should be 54. Here in this AP, the first term is -12. The common difference is being -9 minus of -12, -9 plus 12 minus plus 12 minus 9 is 3, sign is plus. Okay, A is -12, common difference is D. Now using the formula for finding the sum is n plus n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Now substituting the value of a and d here, n by 2, 2a is -12, n minus 1d is 3, is equal to 54 as is being given in the problem. Okay, now 2 multiply -12 is -24, 3 multiply n is 3n, 3 multiply 1 is 3. Now this is plus minus, this is minus, constant. We add the numbers. Minus is plus, 24 plus 3 is 27, sign will be minus sign, plus 3n equal 54. Okay, the next step, you multiply this n by 2 to this term inside bracket. N multiplied 27 is minus 27n by 2. N multiplied this is n with n is 3n square by 2 equal 54. You multiply throughout the equation, both sides of the equation by 2. Here you get minus n. Here you get 3n square because 2 you have, if you multiply by 2 you can cancel, and 54 by 2 multiply by 2 is 108. Now you arrange properly this one, starting with the higher power of n, that is 3n square minus 27n, and this 108 on the right you bring to left is minus 108, on the right side is 0. Now this is, what is this? This is the, who knows what is this expression is? This expression is in the form of quadratic equation, isn't it? It's a form of quadratic equation where the variable here is n. Instead of x, it is n. Now to solve that, either you can do with the formula for finding its roots, that is n will be minus b plus minus b squared minus 4c by 2a, or you can do by splitting the middle term or by factorization. Now here we'll do with factorization here. 3 multiply with 108. Okay, 3 multiply with 108. Okay, 3 factor of 3 is 3 only. 3 multiply 1. Now 108 factor of 108 are 2, 2, 3, 3 and 3. Now again you multiply, since we have to multiply 3 with 108, this means this factor of 108 again multiply with 3. Then these are the factor. You have to find, to group them in two groups such that the sum should be 27. Here I've taken 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 9, 9, 2, 18, 18, 2, 36, and this 3 and 3, 9. 36 minus 9 is how much? 27, the middle term. Therefore, instead of 27, we'll write 36 minus 9. Okay? Now we write 36 minus 9. Here, n with 36 is minus 36n, minus with minus plus, 9 with n, 9 with n, 9n, then minus 1 3. Now the first and second you have to take common between the first and second, third and the fourth. Between the first and second, 3 here common, because 3 1 3 3 12 36. N also is common, n square and n is common. Therefore taking 3n as common, you will get within inside bracket n has been taken common. 3 multiplied 12 is 36. Here also between third and fourth, 9 is common, you will take common 9, n remaining, and 9 12s are 108. Therefore we have 3n plus 9, n minus 12 equal 0. We give us 3n equal, take this 9 right, minus n minus 9, n equal, take this 12, this minus will be plus 12, or n will be minus 9 by 3 will give us minus 3, and n is equal to these two value of n. Here n is minus 3. We cannot we reject this n equal 3 because n should be counting number, should be starting from 1 to 3. Therefore we reject n equal 3 and take the value of n to be 12. Hence the number of them is 12. Okay. Now number 3, from number 3 you do it by yourself, and now we'll proceed ahead with the number 4. Find the sum of series of 2, the last term is 40. First term is 22, last term is 40. We'll just use with formula. Here A is 22, D is 20 minus 72 is minus 2, and last term is 40. We'll use with this formula a plus n minus 1 equal entity, because here in this given series we do not know how we do not know the number of them. Suppose s equal n by 2a plus l, isn't it? N should be there, the number of them should be there. A is there, A is the first term, L is the last term we know, but N we do not know, isn't it? Therefore you cannot use directly for finding the sum. We have to find out the value of n first. How many terms are there in this series? Okay. Now to find the value of n, we'll use with the formula a plus n minus 1d equal the nth term. A is 22, n we do not know, d is minus 2, nth term is last term, which is 40. Here we multiply minus with plus is minus 2n, minus with minus plus is 2, equal 40. 72 plus 2, 74, minus 2n equal 40. 74, take this 40 to the left and take this 2n to the right. Minus 74 minus 40 equal 2n, or 74 minus 40 is 34 equal to n. Give us n equal 34 divided by 2, or n equal 17. Okay. Now for finding the sum, we'll simply use with this formula, second formula, n by 2 a plus l. What is n? N is 17. A is the first term 72 and the last term is 40. Now 17 by 2, 7, and here within bracket 72 plus 40 is 112. You can cancel this 2 and 112 by going with 56. 56 multiplied 17 is 952 as this sum of the given series of numbers. Clear? Now we'll move with the number 5. The first one from here. Find the sum of the first n natural number. Okay. The first n natural number are, what are they? They are 1, 2, 3 up to n, which is the last term. Okay. Sum will be n by 2 a plus l. A is 1, L is n. That is n by 2, you just write 1 plus n or n plus 1. n plus 1 by 2 is the sum of the first n natural number. This means if you find, you can use this formula for finding, suppose if I ask you find the sum of natural number up to 100, then what you'll use? You'll use directly with this formula. The sum of first 100 natural number is n is 100, 100 plus 1, that is 100 multiply 101 divided by 2. This means you will get how much? 50 multiply 101. Whatever you got the product of these two, that is the sum. Now suppose you find the sum of natural number up to 10. We'll use this formula. So sum of natural number up to 10 is n is 10 multiply with 10 plus 1 11, 10 multiply 11 divided by 2. 10 multiply 11. If you find up to 10, this means you have to multiply 10 with the next number, which is 11 divided by 2. You'll get the sum. This means 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 multiply 11, 55. This means the sum will be 55. It's easy. Just remember this formula. It's easy for you to find the first n natural number. Okay, sum will be n plus 1 divided by 2. Number 2, you try to do it by yourself, and now we'll do with the number 6. Number 6 here, find the sum of n terms of the AP whose kth term is 5k plus 1. Okay, you have to find the sum of n term of the AP whose k term is k plus 1. Okay, the k term here is k plus 5k plus 1. Let us putting the value of n 1 2 3 4. The first term you'll get how much? 5 1 plus 1 is 6. Second term 11. Third term it is 16. This means the series, they are 6 11, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 5 16, 16 plus 5 21, and so on. Okay, that means this is the progression. 6 11 16 21 is the progression, and the nth term will be how much? It will be 5 multiply n plus 1. This is the nth term. Okay, find the sum of the n term of the AP whose k term is this one, and therefore you have to find the sum of, what do you have to find? 6 plus 11 plus 16 plus 21 plus the last term 5n plus 1. Okay, what should be the sum? Sum is, the nth term is n by 2, a plus l. What is a? A is 6, and l 5n plus 1. Then this 6 and 1 are constant, you can add. 6 plus 1 is 7. Therefore the sum will be n by 2, 5n plus 7 as the sum. Okay, best of luck to all of you. Now we have come to the end of this part 14. You try to practice, go and practice by yourself till you are clear with all the exercise given in all the part of this video, and I hope that you will be able to face your final exam successfully by listening to this video that I've uploaded to you. Okay, bye to all of you, best of luck.